16-year-old shot and injured in St. James succumbed to injuries. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Investigators from the St. James Police Division are probing the murder of a 16-year-old student who was shot and killed in his community on Saturday evening. The deceased has been identified as Chris J. Thompson of Irwin Heights in St. James. Reports from the Mount Salem police are that at around 6:45 p.m., Thompson was in his community when residents heard the explosions. Upon investigation, residents found Thompson on a roadway with what appears to be multiple gunshot wounds. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, Thompson was assisted to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. No motive has yet been established for this latest killing in St. James. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.